Well, everyone, iOS 26.4 has officially came out, and iOS 18.7.7 is now actually out for all iPhones on iOS 18. So you might be wondering, which one should you install? Should you go with the iOS 18 update, 18.7.7, or should you go up to something like iOS 26.4? Now, what I will tell you is that if you're already on iOS 26, you don't really have much of a choice. You pretty much have to go up to iOS 26.4. That is probably the best recommendation here. That's the area I'd probably recommend going down. However, if you do have an iOS 18 device, I do think iOS 18 is going to be more stable and just a better overall version of software than iOS 26. Even though iOS 26.4 has more features, that has more things up its sleeves, it makes a lot more sense to go through and buy something like an iOS or use iOS 18 from a stability standpoint. I'm still on iOS 18 and I have a really good time on this version of software. It's definitely not perfect, but I'm having a really good time with it, and I'm actually very excited about continuing to use iOS 18. I think iOS 26.4 is a very good version of software as well. It, has fixed a lot of problems, and it's probably the most stable version of iOS, 26 so far, but it still has a lot of work to be done. We're going to have to kind of wait and see what happens, but if I had a choice, if I could recommend it to you, I'd probably recommend going down to iOS 18 using 18.7.7 rather than upgrading right now to iOS 26.4. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.